Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Let's see if I can do it right this time. I keep trying to do these unboxing videos and something always happens. Um, I got this in the mail today. I think I know what it is, but it's something I've been waiting for a long time. A long time. Probably, I ordered this probably a month or so ago, if it's what I think it is. It's coming from Mr. Luo, Luo, 3rd Avenue and through the intersection of South Rose, something Hu district in Henan province, China. So, uh, anyway, yeah, China Post, United States Postal Office. Showed up my mailbox today, finally. Um, let's get this opened up. Came in a nice bag. Now here it is. Also comes in a nice box. It's called an alcohol furnace. Highest quality stainless steelware. I saw one of the guys I watch here on YouTube, Donzi50, I believe, is the right one. I should probably look it up before I do that, but I'm pretty sure that's who it is. He did a review on his, and he's used his for quite a while, and he said that he really likes it. It's really not much more than a stainless steel bowl with a bunch of holes in it. And it doesn't say a whole lot more about it. These one pair of glasses ain't enough to read that tiny little print. Uh, Hello, Sam Lee. Thinking about you, bud. I had an old friend. You probably heard this before. He'd been around for a while. A friend of mine, an older gentleman who's now gone to the next part of his journey, used to put on 2 and 3 pairs of reading glasses, and I teased the heck out of him. Now I'm doing it, so I say hello to him every time I do it. Product features high quality stainless steel, solid and durable. Doesn't say what kind. Easy to clean, can reduce oil, reduce fat intake to human body. After fine polishing and grinding, uniform heating area, all stainless steel combination, easy to clean, durable. Matters needing attention. When adding green oil fuel, don't add too full. Scalded to avoid using process. I guess you don't want to fill it or you'll get scalded. Use adult supervision. Pay attention. Do not use matches, lighters, or other flammable items placed near the alcohol pot. Don't let it burn. So I guess it doesn't really say how much alcohol to use or anything else. So it just is what it is. Let's just do a little splash. Adult supervision, huh? I guess I'm an adult. I don't know. Well, that definitely puts out a heck of a flame, doesn't it? So it won't be easy to put out with all those holes all around it. It sure throws a lot of heat. Whoa, that wasn't smart. That won't put it out, will it? Whew. a little bit too much for in the house. So, nobody accused me of being super smart. Anyway, there you go, people. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate you taking the time out to see what kind of craziness I'm up to. And if that wasn't crazy, I don't know what is. Um, if you would push that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.